3, 2.
Hi friends! Okay, so today I'm so excited because I'm going to do a Halloween costume video series situation, and it's going to be so much fun, and I had a ton of fun filming it, so I just hope that you have a ton of fun watching it. First, I did some animal costumes, and I did some couples costumes, and then also some like super creative costumes. And all of these you can do with just clothes that you found in your closet. That way it's just simple and last minute if you forgot to dress up for Halloween and you don't know what you want to be. Then you can watch this video and hopefully it will help you. I love Halloween so much. Every year I try to go all out, and this video was so fun to film. It was right up my alley. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you like it and if it helped you with Halloween. Comment down below which costumes you like the most and which one you think you might be if there is one. I hope that you guys have the best Halloween ever and that you enjoy these videos and that they help you decide what you want to be. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Yes, let's just get right into it. So first I started with this rose water spray, and that's just to prep my face. And then I have my Garnier BB cream. It's the best stuff ever. And I just put that all over my face. So this is the base that I use for all of my costumes. This is just my makeup base. So I use my Tarte little Shape Tape concealer in medium. That's just a mini one. And then my Morphe brush and blend it all together. And then I have my L'Oreal powder. I don't actually know exactly which one this is because I got it from Italy. So I just put that all over my face with my Real Techniques powder brush. And now we're gonna start with the sheep. So I am so excited, the sheep is so cute. So I just put on this blush from my Pirates of the Caribbean palette. I think it's Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean, and then my Candy Yum Yum MAC lipstick. And I actually use that as a blush. I love doing this because it makes it so you can use one thing in lots of different ways. So I just am putting that on my cheeks, and then it was a little too pink for me, so I'm just blending it with my powder brush, or my foundation brush. And then I'm taking some highlighters from the Pirates of the Caribbean palette, and putting that on my face, and then this white eyeliner pencil that I got from the dollar store, and I'm just gonna use that as my eyeshadow for the little sheep. And then I'm taking that lipstick again, and I'm going to use it as eyeshadow this time, and just put it in the center of my white. I just thought that was cute for the sheep. Now I'm using my Rocket Volume mascara from Maybelline, and just gonna put that on my eyes. And then I'm using my Lorac Pro palette, and I'm going to use the sparkly snow shade and put that in my inner corner, and also I'm going to pat it on top of that white eyeliner that I got from the dollar store. I'm just gonna pat the snow eyeshadow on top of it so that I can really make it pop and sparkle white like a little sheep. And now I'm going to use the same type of eyeliner from the dollar store in black and put it on my nose and make a little sheep nose. So I just drew a line down and then added some little dots. And now I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter spray to set that all in place. So I'm taking a small curling iron, and this is just the Revlon curling iron. It's just a little, I don't even know what size of clamp, maybe like a 1-inch clamp. And I'm using it as a wand, and I'm going to just wrap small pieces of hair around it so that I can get tight curls so that it's like little sheep fur. And there we go. And now I'm just brushing out my bangs, and I'm going to put in a cute little white clip to top it all off. And that's all for the sheep makeup and hair. And then I'm going to put on the lipstick. And here is a sheep outfit. So I have this thrifted cardigan jacket dealio. It was perfect for the sheep. And then this cute dress that I got online. that's it. And now we're starting with the pig. The pig is so cute. So I'm just taking that same Candy Yum Yum lipstick, I am using this one a lot, and made a whole little pig nose out of it. That way you don't have to go buy a pig nose or even make one, but you also could do that if you wanted to. And then I added the eyeliner as nostrils. That's optional, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. And then I just covered all of my eyes with that pink lipstick and put pink inside my inner corners from the Caribbean's palette instead of the white. So that's why I was taking that off. And now I'm going to make the little ears with this felt. So I'm just taking a light pink felt and cutting out an ear shape. And I added a little tab at the end because I'm going to bobby pin it into my hair, as you'll see. So that's why I did a little tab in the felt. And now I'm going to do the same thing but smaller in the little, in the darker pink color. But this one I don't need to have a tab for. I'm just gonna hot glue that on there, and there we go. I'm gonna do the same with the other ear. And now I'm putting my hair in little pigtail buns, and I thought it was cute to have the little curls hanging out because my hair is already curled like that for the sheep, and it was just cute to have little piggy curls. And then I just bobby pin that tab in, and so it's just resting against the bun on my head, and there we go. And now I have a pink shirt, pink skirt, pink jacket, and everything's pink, pink Vans, and I'm a little piggy. So this one's so cute and it was so easy. Okay, now I'm going to be Minnie Mouse, and I am just taking this red Revlon crayon lipstick and using that as blush and then just blending it in. And then I'm using my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter and putting that on my cheekbones and my Cupid's bow. And now I'm going to use my Stila liquid eyeliner in black, and I'm not doing a wing, I'm just putting that on there. And then my Stila liquid eyeshadow, and I'm just putting that on my eyes. And then I'm going to use these faux mink eyelashes from Ardell. And then I made a little nose for Minnie and then put on the lipstick and the ears, and there we go. And this is my little dress that I got. I got this thrifted, and then I got the shoes from Amazon. So it was just absolutely perfect for Minnie Mouse, and I love it. Okay, now I'm going to do a Dalmatian. So I'm just taking that same nose and drawing a line down and then adding white eyeliner. And then I'm going to add little dots, as you can see, and then draw the line further down and into my smile. So it's just over my top lip to make it a little smile for the dog. And then I'm going to add spots on the side of my face for the Dalmatian, just to make it cute. And then I'm filling those in and then adding a circle around my eye, and there we go. Okay, now I'm going to do some felt ears for this one as well. So I'm just gonna draw a little tab like I did with the other one, and I accidentally drew on the white first, so don't mind that. I'm just cutting around the black so that I can have my ear, and then I'm going to make spots for it once this is done. So I ended up doing way too many spots because I left one of the ears black. So just whatever you feel like you need. But the felt is like 28 cents each, so it wasn't a big deal. And I just got this felt from Walmart, by the way, so super easy to pick up anywhere. Okay, now I'm going to hot glue those spots on to this one ear, and then the other one I want to leave black, just because I'm a Dalmatian, so it's not all gonna have spots, and I thought that was cute. Okay, now I'm going to pin those in with my clips, with my pearl clips. I can list these ones on, I got them from Amazon, so I can list them in the description. But there we go, that's the Dalmatian makeup. And now I just have this cute black and white dress and some black boots. And that's how I made my Dalmatian costume. So you can just get this from your closet, things like this. That's why it's so cute and so fun and simple. The makeup really makes it. That is all, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. See you later.